It's Jay Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Now, let's start our today's day with a beautiful thought. Our beautiful thought is very common yet very interesting. That is old is gold. Now what does it mean? यानी हर पुरानी चीज, हर पुरानी कोई भी वस्तु बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और उसका मूल्य गोल्ड जितना है, उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस गोल्ड जितनी है. वेदर इट कैन बी द ओल्ड मेमोरी, आपकी यादगिरी हो सकती है. वेदर इट कैन बी द ओल्ड थॉट, आपको किसी ने कोई एडवाइस किया हो. whatever it can be. So never forget that old is never the waste, but old is always the gold. Doesn't mean कि वो gold ही होना चाहिए, right kids? So it should always be the old memory, old friendship, old bond. Many other things are there which can turn into that gold, right kids? Let's start with our day with this beautiful thought. Kids, Jai Swaminarayan. We are left with the textbook exercise. In notebook, we have done chapter 1 and 2 and we have also started number 3, that is noun. So today we are going to start with number 1, that is the alphabet. So here, read the words given in the, यहाँ पे 6 words we have given: cloud, aeroplane, tree, river, sun, rainbow. So we have to arrange it in the alphabetical order. So of course, A will come first, that is aeroplane. Then C word, that is cloud. Then if you see R से 2 words हैं, then we will go the second alphabet, that is R-A, rainbow, R-I, river. So R-A will come first, so rainbow, then river, then R-S, then sun, and then T. So we will write tree here. Turn the page. Here it is said कि कौन से letters you have to see the group of words in the alphabetical order. अगर हैं then we have to put tick. So A apple, B banana, G guava, L lemon, W watermelon. A B C D E F G H I J K L and M N O P Q R S T U V W. तो ये सब alphabetical order में ही जा रहे हैं. So we will put tick here. Then D desk, C chair, P pen. यही गड़बड़ हो गया if you can see. पहले C आता है ना, A B C D. So C यहाँ पे आएगा, D यहाँ पे. So this is a wrong. ये alphabetical order में नहीं है. So we will leave as it is. Mattress, pillow, rug, sheet, quilt. So M P Q R S T U V W यहाँ पे आएगा Q, right? M N O P Q R S T. सो यहाँ पे ये रॉन्ग है, MNOP देन क्यू यहाँ पे आएगा, तो ये क्विल्ट वर्ड यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे लास्ट में, सो ये भी नहीं है, राइट. नंबर 4, गोल्ड फिश, ऑक्टोपस, रे, शार्क, व्हेल. वी विल सी द फर्स्ट लेटर G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W. सो ये सब अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर आ रहा है. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. सो ओनली फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट वन इज द करेक्ट. This is your homework. You have to just join this, right? And you have to complete it. Next, this is little tricky, but you will understand. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वर्ड और ये जो वर्ड दिया है उसके बीच का लेटर लिखना है इन अ डिक्शनरी गिवन वर्ड, और या फिर आप इसे अल्फाबेटिकली अरेंज करना है. जैसे COALA कोला, यहाँ पे COEL. तो आपको यहाँ पे देखोगे, अगर आप फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड इज द सेम वर्ड CO, यहाँ पे A है और यहाँ पे E है, तो A और E के बीच में क्या आएगा, BCD, राइट. तो BCD के बीच में आप कोई भी वर्ड यूज कर सकते हो. तो दिस इज कॉब. नेक्स्ट है टेबल एंड टॉर्च. सो यू हैव टू सी द सेकेंड वर्ड. हियर इट इज A एंड हियर इट इज O. सो आपको A और O के बाद का या बीच का लेटर लिखना है. सो वी विल यूज योर TALL टॉल. सो ऐसे ही आपको बाकी सब करना है. आइसक्रीम, आइस हाउस, सो वी विल राइट आइस क्यूब. प्लेट, पोस्टर, वी कैन राइट पोस्ट. bagel, ball, berry, right. Now these are the question I have already sent you in your notebook. We have already done this. Skin, skull, sky, skate. So first SKA, skate, skin, skull, sky. Same way, hill, high, hip, hiss. High, hill, hip, hiss. I will send you in the PDF. Next, यहाँ पे जम्बल्स वर्ड है. वी हैव टू अरेंज एंड मेक अ एनिमल नेम. सो OGD वी हैव फॉर्म्ड योर डॉग. EEDR वी हैव पुट योर डियर. यहाँ पे जम्बल्ड वर्ड्स है. वी हैव मेड इट जिराफ. OILN, we have made it lion, and this is the word, we have made it horse. Now इन सब एनिमल नेम से आपको अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर करना है. सो सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? इट विल कम डी. सो डी तो दो हैं, सो हियर इट इज DO एंड हियर इट इज DE. सो फर्स्ट DE आता है, सो वी विल राइट DEER डियर, dog, then G giraffe, then H horse, and then last lion. Right, kids? So same way here we have to, little tricky again this question, but ओके यहाँ पे हमें बॉल वर्ड दिया है. हमें कहा है कि BALL बॉल के बाद हमें 4 वर्ड्स ऐसे लिखने हैं जो अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर के बाद उसके पीछे आए. यानी BAL 3 लेटर्स हमें देख के चलने हैं BAL के बाद. सो BAR के बाद BELL बेल, BOW बो, BUN बन. सेम वे हियर इट इज गिवन हाउस, और उसके पहले कम बिफोर, वुड द H वर्ड कम बिफोर हाउस. हाउस से पहले यानी HOU से पहले आने चाहिए. सो वी हैव रिटन HOST होस्ट, HOT hot, HOTEL hotel, and HOUR hour. Same way we have to do here. So would come before the sound, SOUND sound word से before हमें लिखने हैं. सो SOU से पहले आने चाहिए. SORROY द सॉरो, SORRY सॉरी, SORT सॉट, SOUL सोल. सेम वे वी हैव टू डू दिस. सो मनी के बाद आने चाहिए, तो दैट इज मॉनिटर, मंथ, मूड, मूडी. एंड O के हमें आफ्टर आने चाहिए, यानी ऑरेंज. O से वर्ड्स लिखने ऑरेंज के आफ्टर. ऑर्डर, ऑर्डिनरी, ऑर्गन, ऑर्गेनिक. राइट. सो विद दिस वी हैव completed our chapter number 1 here, right? We will start with chapter 2, right, kids? So here we have to arrange those words. Here group of words are given, we have to arrange those words in a sentence. So number 1, we have made it, which sport do the children like to play? Second, the children like to play football. What is the football color? And the football is blue and white, right? Remember, by writing a sentence, always the first letter should be capital. At the end, if it is a question, put question mark. If it is a sentence, put full stop. Correct, kids? Remember that. Now turn the page. So here again we have to, the words, the sentence is given, but हमें इस sentence में क्या करना है? As it is लिखना है, but we have to put a capital letter or a punctuation mark. So of course the first letter will be capital, WEV. V capital है, W capital आएगा V का. We are going out to play. This is a statement. We will put full stop. So W capital for what? What time is it? It is a question, so we will put a question mark. I will be capital of it. It is 8 o'clock. So this is a statement. We will put full stop. Right? Next, what is the teacher writing? W capital of what? Or this is a question, so we will put question mark. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. So T will be capital because it is a starting, and end full stop because this was a statement. Next page, we have to write S for statement. We have to find the sentence, and we have to see the sentence and identify the kinds of sentences. There are total 4 types. That is statement. S we have to write for statement. Q we have to write for question. O we have to write for order, and R we have to write for request. Right? So number 1 is close the door. So close the door will become a question order. So it is a order. वो किसी को order दे रहा है कि दरवाजा बंद करो. Do not waste water. Water waste mat karo. This is also the order. Please clean the desk. Please, it is a request word. So we will write R. Who invented the ice cream? Kisne ice cream invent ki? This is the question. Then where are the children? Children kahan hai? This is the question. So we will write Q. We are going to the cinema today. हम आज cinema जा रहे हैं. This is a statement. New Delhi is the capital of India. This is also a statement. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. This is a statement. ये कह रहा है कि Alexander Graham Bell ने invent किया telephone. Now we will turn to the next. Here Now read the statement, then change the position of underlined words to form a question. जो word underlined है उसे आपको पहले रखना है और बाकी सब same as it is रखना है. By doing this, you will make this sentence in a question. Let's see how. It was a sunny day. Was it a sunny day? So question, क्या sunny day था? There were no clouds in the sky. Were there no clouds in the sky? क्या clouds में sky में clouds नहीं थे? This is a question. Rita was carrying an umbrella. Was Rita carrying an umbrella? क्या umbrella Rita carry कर रही थी? Right? ऐसे आपको question frame करने हैं. She was feeling thirsty. Was she feeling thirsty? Rini was waiting for her at the bus stop. Was Rini waiting for her at the bus stop? Question mark. Right? So here we have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. What is subject? Subject tells who or what are speaking. कौन कह रहा है और predicate gives us information about the subject. यानी subject के बारे में हमें work होता हुआ बता रहा है. The pot. कौन है? The pot है. Was full of curd. So the pot is the subject here. और वो क्या है? Full है दही से, curd से. So this will be the predicate. Same way Mohit is subject and ran after the puppy is predicate. The flies is subject. Sat on the Sony's nose is predicate. The guest is subject. Came on time will be the predicate. The moon is subject. Looks like a round silver spoon will be predicate. Now complete this sentence with your own words. So I have done my homework. I have no time left. I do not like to eat pizza. I have added these words. Right. Now what are negative words? Sentence that have words no or not is called negative. Right. Sentence that have words no or not are called negative. जिस sentence में no या फिर not word होता है वो negative words होते हैं. So here negative sentence होता है. Tick the negative sentence. You have to see, you have to read the sentence and you have to say that it is a negative or not. If it is negative, you have to put tick mark. I am tired. This is normal, positive sentence. I have no money. Yes, this is negative sentence. Rohini is not in her room. This is also negative. Shalini wants to go to school. This is positive. Geeta will come back from Mumbai tomorrow. This is also positive. So we will leave it as it is. So again, we have to here arrange these words, right, and make a sentences. And we have to do the punctuation also. What are punctuation? First, the word should be capital and end it should be with full stop or question mark. So doing you what are you doing? This will be the question mark. Pencil write I with A. I write with a pencil. Full stop. Who all ate the cake is. Who ate all the cake you can write, or who all ate the cake. किन सब ने खाना खाया. Right. So you can write this also. You can write this also. Do not disturb me. So this is full stop here. Do not disturb me. Next. Your sister is older than you. Then this sock smells bad. His puppy is not very fond of Sohail. ऐसे ही आपको सारे complete. Right. Now turn the page. Now here is a small match the column. We have to add the subject with a predicate. This dark sky has a the day sky has a bright sun. The night sky has a stars and the moon. Many forest animals hunt for their food at night. The moonlight helps them spot their prey. Some animals do not hunt at night. So this is a beautiful comprehension. You have to read this and you have to answer this question. Right? Write the sentence from the passage. आपको सिर्फ इसमें से जो क्वेश्चन पूछे हुए हैं उसको आपको इसमें लिखना है. राइट. गिव्स इन्फॉर्मेशन. आस्क अ क्वेश्चन. क्या क्वेश्चन एक पूछा हुआ है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. यहाँ पे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है तो वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. देन यू हैव टू राइट मेक्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. ऐसा कौन सा सेंटेंस है जिसमें आपको पता चल रहा है कि कोई रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है. सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दोज सेंटेंसेज एंड यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस. दिस इज योर homework. With this we have completed all our chapter 1 and chapter 2 in our textbook. In the next I will send you the chapter 3. Till that, complete all your notes. Stay safe, take care and goodbye.